Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel BG's Airwaves TV, and today we are diving deep into the world of short hair transformations for the mature black women. Whether you are considering the big chop, transitioning to natural, or just want a sharp new look that says I have arrived, this video is for you. We are going beyond just the cuts. We are talking face shapes, color, maintenance, and the psychological power of letting go of the length. So grab your tea, get comfortable, and let's get into these transformations. There is a specific kind of freedom that comes with short hair. As we mature, our hair needs change. Sometimes it's thinning, sometimes we are tired of the hours spent under a dryer, and sometimes we just want to see ourselves again without the cutting of hair. Research and stylist interviews show that short hair often draws the eye upward, acting as a natural facelift. It highlights the cheekbones and that beautiful jawlines you have been hiding since. Short hair is the best time to experiment with color. Why? Yes, you can ask me why. It is because you are cutting it often. The hair stays healthy because you are constantly trimming off the processed ends. Short hair does not mean no maintenance. It means different maintenance. Even short hair needs hydration. Look for leave-in conditioners with jojoba or Jamaican black castor oil. You wrap your hair at night with a silk or satin scarf to keep those layers flat and smooth. So a small amount of foam mouth and a soft brush in the morning can reactivate your style in under just 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. Look at these women. They don't look like they lost their hair. They look like they found their power. If you have been sitting on the fence wondering if you are too old or if your face is too round for short hair, forget that rules. There is a short hairstyle for every face, every texture, and every personality. I want to hear from you. Which of these transformation was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to BG Airwaves TV, where I talk about beauty, aging gracefully, and living loudly every single week. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylists who availed us the opportunity to showcase these styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy it. Remember, your hair is your crown. No matter how short it is, stay beautiful. And I'll see you